sugar, just a name, but it's all a joke. We don't play tame.